Hey everyone. Today we're talking about Evolution Shards in Clash Royale. Not just how to get them, but how to actually use them once you've got a few stacked up. So here's the deal. Evolution Shards are basically the key to unlocking a card's evolution form. Think of them like little puzzle pieces. You need 6 shards of a specific card to evolve it. Once you've got all 6, you can unlock that evolution and start using it in battles. Now, where do you actually go to use them? Pretty simple. Head over to your card collection inside Clash Royale. If a card has an evolution available, you'll see this special little icon on it. Tap that card, and if you've got the shards ready, there'll be a button to unlock its evolution. Once it's unlocked, you can slot the evolution into your deck just like you would with any other upgrade. When you're in battle, the evolution kicks in automatically after certain conditions, like after you play the card a set number of times or after it hits the field. It depends on the card, but the cool part is that it gives your card extra abilities or stat boosts that can totally flip a match in your favor. And here's a quick tip. If you've also got wild shards, you can use those on any evolution card you want. That means if you're really hyped to evolve a specific card, but you're missing 1 or 2 shards, wild shards can save the day. So yeah, evolution shards aren't just a collectible. Like, they're what unlocks some of the most powerful upgrades in the game. Save them up, use them wisely, and build a deck that makes the most out of these evolutions. If this helped you out, drop a like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments which evolution card you're planning to unlock first. I've got my eye on a couple, but I want to hear yours too.